Oh, there it goes. All right, yep, it's like 3. It's like nothing out here. All right. Oh, dude, there's a lot of boulders in the way. Oh, this is wild. Dude, this thing's ticking bad. All right, I'm in.
What's it reading?
It's at 50.
50, guys.
And it's going up. This is insane, guys. We just made it into the underground aircraft laboratory. They're trying to design a nuclear powered aircraft. And we have just made it into the underground facility. We've done a little bit of research. This thing goes for like 600 feet in this tunnel and then hits like a 6-story building, all underground. This thing's usually flooded, but we came during a drought. You see the water line on the wall. Dude, it's going. I feel like we would have hit water already. Oh, dude, it is dry. You see that electrical box right there? Yeah, that thing was half underwater. Oh, this is insanity. Holy crap, there's a raft. So, apparently some divers went down in like 1980 and saw some crazy stuff down there. There was no such thing as video cameras back then, so we're gonna capture this. Dude, I think I see a room over there.
This is crazy.
Oh, that's crazy.
Ooh, it's creepy, dude.
This is crazy, bro. This is mad crazy. So like, we gotta be real careful. Like, do not walk through it anymore.
Dang, that was heavy.
Literally have to. Gotcha. Okay. Might have to go straight on our backs. Okay.
Hold hands like otters.
Okay.
Alright. So we're just gonna do little baby kicks basically the whole time?
Yep, very at the top. Eric, give me a little more room than that.
Huh?
Can you give me a little more space?
More space?
Yeah, please.
Alright, so that's the big room that way.
Are you thinking?
Yeah. Give me a little more space if you can. Let's go on the way back. We're doing pretty good so far.
I've noticed that.
It's clear as it gets.
Oh dude, I'm in the shaft.
Oh my god.
Dude, I am in the shaft. This is it. This is where they hoisted the reactor out of.
Really?
The 80 megawatt reactor. Straight out of that door you see. And they'd radiate the whole forest.
Wow.
And plane parts and everything. And so they talked about the baby blue water. And dude, we're in it.
We're in it.
This is the bluest water ever.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, this is crazy. Oh yeah, just come backwards a little bit more.
No, good. Oh, there it is. Nice.
Yep. And is there something on the front of this thing to tie it to?
Yeah. This doesn't push you too much on the walls. I feel like it's sharp.
Alright.
Yes.
You're ready to try? Yes, okay.
Oh yeah! Dude, that is wild down there, bro. There's a whole freaking system down there. Dude, that got mad sketch. You don't even understand. You don't understand. I went around the corner and we had kicked up so much silt, and I said all I could do is swim through the silt to the exit. So I swam and I just hit a concrete wall. And I was like, oh dude, I'm screwed. I have to find Brandon right now. He's the only source of light. Yeah. And then like you just happen to be right there. Dude.
You got turned around?
Yeah, I'm not going back down there.
No, just doing that, we made it a fog storm.
Oh yeah. Dude, did you look up at the ceiling?
Yeah.
The bubbles were hitting the ceiling and stirring it all up.
Dude, there's gotta be another way to go down.
I doubt it.
Oh, dude, there's the ladder hatch. That's badass. So you were right, there's multiple ways down there. Although this one's way worse.
Is that kind of what happened over there?
Yeah. It happened while we were down there. Dude, the whole floor's got holes in it, the whole way. Oh, it will never settle. With no currents like this, it'll take days.
Alright, I need to do my eyes if I can only see sideways. Let's find another way down. I'll put on a GoPro and just shot it.
Oh. That's so crazy. What is up with this? It's like to get rid of this door in the building, they just tore it off its hinges. What we heard is everything got irradiated by that reactor, and it made something called like cobalt 60. Every bit of steel in here was so radioactive that they probably just ripped the steel doors out. And yeah. No way! Dude. Dude, one more shot, right?
Yeah, let me check it out real quick.
We've probably stirred up the whole level down there though. Although actually, you know what? The top level doesn't stir up except for right where you've been. Oh, dude, the stairs go down.
Doing that made it fucking shit.
You might be able to get down there. Alright. What's she thinking, man?
I don't know, we might have already screwed the pooch, but we give it a little put back.
Think he's going down there?
Yeah.
Oh. Is it screwed though now that we stirred this up? Dead?
Yeah, we fucked it up.
Yeah.
It's just all built.
Yeah. Alright. Dude, he is crazy. Dude, keep that light angle down, bro. I know, dude, they're gone now. We don't know where Brain's at. Bubbles have stopped. Do you think he just got bold and he decided to go check it out down there?
Oh, here.
Hey guys! Where do you hear the bubbles? Dude, I hear them again. Dude, but he still has to make it up here, dude. There's his bubbles. His bubbles are getting closer, dude. No. He can't be doing that. Okay, he's like right here. If he's on my... Yeah, here he is. Holy crap, dude. You scared them. Dude, you are a freaking madman.
Dude,
What did you see down there?
it just keeps going. It's a whole other level. And there's a dive line.
Is there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had zero visibility up the whole staircase.
Could you at least see my light as a glow?
I couldn't see anything, dude.
So how did you know to come back?
I was feeling the stairs.
Dude, that's scary, dude. I'm getting out of here.
Yeah, there's a whole other level.
Brandon got in the water before you killed him.
Oh, dude, this is dope. There's like decontamination showers over here.
God, dude, go for it now.
Oh, yeah. The thing is,
First I saw everything, and it was nothing.
let's talk about this pipe. What's up with this pipe, yo? That's quite the pipe. That is nasty. I know.
Was like to remove the contamination,
It's probably just a fresh air pipe, so like,
but
probably not. I'm thinking it's just a big air duct.
right?
It's hard to say though. Look, it goes into the tunnel.
Well,
And then, have you noticed in the tunnel there's these weird angled pipes? It's like they're trying to direct airflow in one direction down the tunnel. Maybe they're driving Humvees down it, and so they had to clear all the car fumes.
Yeah. Man, that got crazy for a second. I'm glad I got out of there.
Dude, I'm so freaking glad I got out of there too.
Yeah, that was gnarly. I saw your face. I saw your eyes. I was like, oh.
Dude, yeah, because it looked like you wanted to keep going, and I was like, I don't even know how to signal, like, let's get out of here. So I just did like my throat's dead, like cutting my throat.
Yeah.
And like, I didn't care what your response was, I was going up.
Yeah, no, we're on the same page.
I need warmer gloves. Hey, if you want the lunch over there, because I'm not using that motherfucker. I'll throw everything else here.
Yeah.
So we have everything.
Yeah, do your take first, but yeah.